5 seconds to go. The old mother opened the door at 5 morning of the second date and borrowed 2 cycles from somewhere stop. I started on one cycle with my father and the other was driven by my brother-in-law and a Hindu boy stop. A crowd of about 200/250 persons surrounded us there in front of the office of the Congress within bracket I party and started beating us with rods stop. We fell down with the injuries stop. They gave road blows at my head, legs and hands stop. The blood coming from my head stop. Meanwhile, a noise of shouting came, they should be burnt alive with kerosene oil stop. I started running on hearing it stop. They were going to give me road blows at the backside stop. I reached near the police post Uttamnagar running fast stop. I requested the police with folded hands to save my brother-in-law and my father who were being beaten by the mob in the opening on the road stop. But they started abusing me and did not listen to me. On the other hand, they said, you Sikhs deserve such behavior stop. The SP said, what can we do? The dead bodies of the Hindus filled in the roads are too coming from Punjab stop. Blood was coming from my head, hands were not in working order stop. I begged the police for help but they refused to help me stop. I prayed to allow me to phone stop. I phoned the owners of my factory stop. They were also Sardars stop. The police refused to provide me medical aid and in spite of my repeated requests stop. They said it will make no difference if you die when thousands of Sikhs are dying stop. The SP Uttamnagar came to the police post at about 3:15 noon stop. I requested him to send me to the hospital stop. That SP brought some injured mothers and children to the police post from the Najafgarh side stop. About 40/50 Sardars had reached there till 5 in the evening stop. He sent me and 2 or 3 more injured to Deen Dayal Hospital, Harinagar stop. My head was stitched and I was again sent to the police post Uttamnagar after a short while stop. My masters came to bring me at 8 p.m. at night stop. They left me and some other Sikhs to the Gurdwara of Harinagar stop. Charanjit Singh, a friend mine, took me to his house at Harinagar where I was got treated medically from a private doctor stop. Next para. I saw 2 or 3 constables who came to the police post with the goods loaded from the neighboring shops when I was praying for water in the injured condition, in the police post Uttamnagar stop. They had soap, cakes, toothpaste and honey bottles in their hands stop. The policemen were enjoying and watching sitting carefree when the shops of the Sikhs were being looted opposite to them stop. My brother-in-law and my father lost their lives during this incident stop. My sister, who had only 27 days old son at that time because widow stop. I have been disabled due to the injuries at the heads stop. Over. Next para, next dictation. Though the petitioners it has been submitted that on the scrutiny by the SIT which took up the present case along with few other cases FIRs for further investigation of the case records of the previous FIR complaint made at relevant time which had been closed, and it found that the complainant due to fear could not disclose the name of the respondent as an accused, as the respondent was then very influential with a lot of influence of the then government, and that the complainant also could not depose fearlessly against the respondent. So, it is further submitted though the petitioners that it had also been found that at the relevant time when the case was under investigation, important and relevant evidences, though available, had not been collected and inquired upon by the then investigating team due to the reasons best known to them, and thus the closure report had been filed. So, the state has further submitted that pursuant to the recommendations of the Justice J. P. Mathur Committee on the SIT having been constituted with the specific mandate to investigate reinvestigate the criminal cases which were filed in the National Capital Territory of Delhi in connection with the 1984 anti-Sikh riots, and to examine the record afresh, intimation regarding further investigation of the case was given to the court, and further investigation was taken up, and during the course of investigation by the SIT, the complaint Harvinder Singh was examined afresh, and some fresh witnesses were also examined under section 161 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, 1973 for the very first time, who corroborated the contents of the FIR and the affidavit of the complainant, and that they had never been examined by any other agency previously. Stop. Next para. It was further stated, though the petitioners, that it had been categorically stated by the complainant and the fresh witnesses that the respondent, the then Member of Parliament, had formed an unlawful assembly armed with deadly weapons for the purpose of committing criminal acts including routing, arson, murder, causing disharmony and hatred between the different religious groups, and destruction of properties belonging to the Sikh community during the 1984 riots. Stop. It was further submitted by the state that despite the Justice Jain and Agarwal Committee having recommended that the investigation be conducted by an independent agency other than the local police, the investigation of these cases was not handed over to any independent agency as recommended